Arena in San Juan City, volleyball hub for UAAP Season 75. NU and UP taking the floor in our first game. And following this match, we have what should be a very interesting encounter and very important game for both those teams, Ateneo and FEU.
Because actually, when you really look at it, diba, after we showed them the standings, lahat magiging importante na because about 6 teams are vying. Siyempre, yung UP and UE, medyo mahihirapan na to go up, but yung 6 teams na yan, ano pa rin vying for that final 4 slots. Ilang games na lang.
Yeah.
Diba? So, really important games for all of them.
We're already in the 17th game day for UAAP Season 75. Remember, there are 28 game days in the elimination round. So, after this, 11 game days na lang.
And imagine how much
10
games.
na lang.
Oh, diba? And how much games na lang for each
Yeah.
of the teams.
Well, it's understandable that UE and UP are struggling because both of them have half their team filled with rookies.
Yes, that's right.
And they...
So UE, I think about 7.
Yeah,
if I'm
7.
not
Also
mistaken.
UP. 7
Yeah.
rookies also.
And it's really hard. And you kind of have that mindset that it is really a developmental stage. But FEU has gone through that.
Yeah.
NU has gone through that. Talagang ganyan lang. Yung may mga stages yung program.
And they're very similar because both those teams, UP and UE, lost their best players. And they also have second-year head coaches. So, nagsisimula pa lang ang kanilang mga volleyball programs.
So, Aganon getting a point off the block.
Well, she's back.
Yep.
Someone that played a lot last year for NU, but used sparingly this year.
And ito na yung time for Coach Francis to see kung sino pa yung mga pwedeng hugutin in certain situations in the succeeding games.
So this is an opportunity for Aganon now to once again come back to form. Coach Jared unhappy with that last call. Take a look at it one more time.
It was right in front of the referee, so yun nga yung ina-explain nila sa akin kanina. Sometimes you don't, they see it, they clearly see it, but yung mga, may mga times na hindi naman nakikita yung sa ating mga slow-mo.
Very tough.
Yes, very tough. Very close call.
Dalawa. Okay? Kung wala kailangan na running sa dulo para gumalaw lang yung middle, paggalawin mo na kaagad. Okay? Huwag kang mag-concentrate sa gitnang play. Outside, parada tayo. Open, saka running. Okay? So, tingnan nyo lang. Kailangan mangyari pag running mo, so either paluin mo lang siya, or kapag alanganin, safe lang, ma-over niya lang yung bola. Pero kailangan mangyari pag open tayo. Kasi ito lang yung running game. So, pwedeng pumalo ka dito ng down the line or mag-off ka dito. Okay? Kung di mo siya papaluin ng straight dyan. Okay? So, decide ka kung ano yung set sa'yo. Ha? Based dun sa set, ha?
Coach Jared Hubalde laying down the options for his squad. He wants either an open hit for Tew or a running spike from Se.
Well, by the way, that last call was 4 touches according to our referees. So, parang net block siya.
So play resumes as NU closes in on taking the first set. Magtalas
went for a running hit
and that's what Coach Jared asked for in the timeout actually.
Okay, with the running. Look at this one. Well, at this point, even if you're a young team, you want that risk factor. Gusto mong lumabas yan eh. So, para makita mo yung character ng mga players mo. And UP is one fighting team.
Oh, mishit there by Mangulapnan.
Hana mistiming that approach.
But this is a good effort by the Fighting Maroons, still within striking distance of NU.
Kasi imagine missing their first starting setter.
And speaking of starters, UP should take this opportunity because Coach Francis is somewhat taking a gamble here, leaving out Myla Pablo and putting in Aganon and Marzan, players that he didn't really use much.
And in the first set.
Yeah, in the first set pa. Coach Francis now testing those players. And Marzan, service error there.
Not enough power. So NU just up by 4 points.
But then again, yeah, you're right. UP, good effort without Del Mundo. Sprained right ankle, not suited up today. And they're just down by 4 here in the first set against NU. Running hit for Santiago.
With one-handed save.
Aganon.
Oh, too much angle. Getting that wide.
We can see that she really has that power even last year.
Look at this. Going wide on that hit. She wanted to use the blocker of UP. Kaya lang sumobra.
UP in the process of trying to steal this one away. Aganon is back with a vengeance.
Yup. And again, Coach Francis, I'm sure liking this one. Yung bang after an error, bawi kagad. Sometimes kasi yun yung problem ng mga teams Because yung girls, pag nagkaroon ng error, nagiging series of errors. Hindi katulad, kasi rally point system, so you really have to forget that error and yun ang magandang character, bawi kagad.
Versola unable to get that check ball. So NU has arrived at set point. Aganon. Dug up by Geyser. Magtala sets it up for Tew. That's a missed hit. And with that, NU takes set number 1, 25-19, but not after. A good challenge from the UP Fighting Maroons. You're watching UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball, brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.